Ramadan is a special and most awaited time that every Muslim house loves to celebrate by making aromatic food and sweet. With Ramadan fast approaching, I would like to share with you this delicious Ramadan sweet. Hi and salam alaikum. This is Rakia and Kit, and if you are here for the first time, please do subscribe and share my channel with your friend and your family. So, Bismillah, we're gonna need fried vermicelli, or some people they call it Pakistani vermicelli, pistachios, melted butter, filo pastry, roasted peanut, sweetened condensed milk, and we have another amount of butter. We have rose petals and pinch of salt and pinch of Arabic gum. For all the ingredients, I'm gonna leave it in the description box, guys. You can check it out later. We begin by making the filling in a frying pan. I'm gonna add the butter and the vermicelli, and I'm gonna saute it for 4 to 5 minutes until I have that nice aroma from it and the color will change slightly. So in this moment, I'm gonna add the sweetened condensed milk and pinch of salt and pinch of mastica to give that nice flavor to the mix. Mix everything together for 3 minutes, then add your chopped nuts. So in case you don't have a pine nuts available at home, or you don't have it in your grocery shop, you can skip it and you can use almond. Roast the almond, then chop it small pieces like I did with the pistachio here, then add it to the filling. So here my filling is ready. I will set the filling aside to cool down, and I'm gonna jump to the filo pastry. So I would like to prepare everything in front of me, like the melted butter, the rose petal, and some chopped pistachios, and I have my filling next to me as well. So I will start with brushing the filo pastry with a lot of butter. Be generous, because we know the filo pastry tastes very good with butter. So I'm gonna start now to cut the filo pastry in half from middle, and there is a little bit of rose petal, then chopped pistachios. So to just give that nice crunch as well and give nice colors when we cook it. So I took the filling and I made like small rectangle, then I start carefully fold the pastry over to form a parcel or a pillow, and brush the end of it carefully. So transfer to the baking tray. The same side should be down. So I will do the same, and for me, I always make the filling, leave it in the fridge, and once I feel like I want to have this dessert or this sweet, I will just fill the pastry and put it in the oven. Brush each parcel with more melted butter and bake it for approximately 20 to 25 minutes or until golden. When you take it out of the oven, brush it with honey syrup and sprinkle some pistachios and put some rose petals on the side to just decorate it, and enjoy, of course. So this was my table for the Ramadan sweet, like the prepared sweet during the Ramadan. I hope you guys like this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, share, and leave us a comment. And this is the time to say happy Ramadan. Enjoy your Ramadan, and may Allah accept our deeds and reward us with Jannatul Firdaus. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.